people, young people, nako, madaling nabuntis, ang iba nagdrodroga, ang iba maraming mga bisyo. Bakit ganon? Who could be blamed? Ang ating namang mga parents wala palagi sa bahay. Tatay, nanay natin hindi nagkasundo, palaging nag-away, nagbangayan, and who will be affected? You children. But kahit ganun pa man ang mga pangyayari sa bahay natin, we should listen to God. Because the Bible says, in the book of Ephesians chapter 6 verse 1, anong sinasabi doon? Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. This command has a promise. I-connect natin the fourth commandment. Honor your mother